everybody, welcome back. It's me, Mila Rose, and I am back today to do the second half of my sinking funds. And I also just realized I'm missing some of my envelopes. I need to go grab those. But I am super excited to have you all here. I made some change, as you can see. We've got some money available for us to divide up into all of the envelopes for the things that we have going on. So this is going to be a really great, hopefully quick video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe, especially if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love. And let's get started. So we get $10 that goes towards tech. I was like, oh, I think I need to go get my other little binder because my stuff is over there, but I moved this stuff over here. So here's my, I only have $20, so I must have pulled some money out. I have $20 in tech. I'm adding 10, so now we're back at 30. I had bought a new computer because I needed it. The other one was really struggling. And then I bought something else. I don't quite remember even what it was, but worked out well for me. So we're still at $30. Still going to be working on building that up a little bit. Luckily, I have a separate fund for tech and a second personal tech and a different fund for tech for the business that I want to work on. So sometimes they can bleed together, but generally I can keep them separate, and it really helps me if I need to buy like headphones or a charging cord or something like that. So I'm very happy about that. Planner should have $5, should get $5. And I'm trying to remember if planner actually has an envelope. I think it does. Yes, it does. Okay. Planner gets $5. Planner right now should have 31, so 20, 25, 30, and 1. And it gets an extra 5. So there we go. So now we're at 36. Put that away. This is for any type of planning stuff I want to do. I know at the new year, I'll be wanting to get a new calendar inserts. So I like the tool system, so I'll go buy new calendar inserts. And so that's just so I don't have to worry about where that money is going to come from. Gardening and cosplay is supposed to be at $4. I feel like I don't have any money towards this. I don't even know where it is if I do have it. Oh, here it is, the $4. Woohoo! And $2 for that. I'm definitely going to have to figure out what to do about my gardening and cosplay I just haven't done anything with. I should just turn this into gardening. Because with the new house, there's a lot of stuff I want to change. I have bought, for gardening, I bought a lemon tree. I have a pomegranate tree. I have, which reminds me I need to go water all my plants that are all in containers. They're all here in the apartment. I have 2 rose bushes, 2 hibiscus bushes. I think they are bushes. And I think that's everything that I have now. I also bought the seeds or the pods to grow lotuses. And so in the new house, I'm going to have to figure out how to. They said you can just put it in a container, so I'm going to start looking for a shallow container, but one that's deep enough I can get the dirt in and the water and everything, and I'm going to grow some lotus just to have for the meaning. I really love the meaning of lotus. As you can see, I have lotuses in all of my stuff, so I'll have to increase probably my garden budget. All of that to say, I did end up having to pull some money from singing bowls. I don't honestly remember why. Should have written it down, but I did. And let's see how much we have left. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So 65. So we went down, we pulled out $40. Singing bowls will get its 5. So it's going to be 70. I'm halfway thinking on whether I want to continue to save this, but I figure I should. And as I shouldn't have anything disrupting me on my quest for this anymore, I should be fine. Let's see. Phone gets 10, and phone should be at $30. Phone is not at $30. Phone is at $40. Okay. Well, it gets 10, so it's at 50 now. 50. I don't know why my phone is off. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50. Don't know why. Phone is off. Phone should not be off. Let's see who's next. Miscellaneous and health, which I hope are in the same section. Kind of looks like they're not. I just saw them. I feel like I'm always losing folders. This is hair and health, so that's great. And then I just saw miscellaneous. I swear I just saw it. Okay. I'll go ahead and pull these out. I know these are coming. Oh, not Metro, because Metro goes on a... You get to pull that at a different time. So I can put that one back. I think it goes... I think it goes right here. There we go. Okay. Because I know these ones are coming. So I might as well pull them out. Okay. I think these are the only ones. Alright, so miscellaneous gets 5. And it's right here. And I'll probably end up putting... Well, I'll put the 5 in there. Trade that out for 10. Does somebody get 10 coming up? Canva gets 10 coming up. But Canva probably has enough where I can do 20. So miscellaneous is at 15. This is, of course, for any just random thing that pops up. It's the work stuff that always gets me, you know, the little birthdays and things like that. Luckily, we haven't been having as much of that go on. So it helps me a little bit there. Health gets 5. I'm so happy I'm not taking out any money next year. So I get a little bit more inside of my paycheck, and then I'll just use this to pay my deductible. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to trade this out for this 20 because I don't have anything that gets a 20. And keep those 5. So 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That was a mess to count. And let's add that 5 more back in there to give us 45. So far so good. I'm just going to continue to add towards that because there's always something coming up that you need for your health, right? Next is Canva. Still debating on whether I'm going to go ahead and keep Canva for next year, but I am going to go ahead and keep Canva and NTTA, so we'll pull out the both of those. And we'll go ahead and put these 2 up. Actually, and we'll put hair up because hair doesn't get paid out of this one. So, hair and health go together. And then miscellaneous. Okay, so Canva gets 10. Where are we at? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. Yep, okay, so we're at 90 now. With the 10 that it gets. And we'll go ahead and put that away. NTTA gets 5, and we have already had to, so where it should be at 35, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Oh, this is fantastic because I've already had to use that because, so I have to put that back. So 30, 35. We were 5 short from where we need to be, but I'm going to actually empty this out because I need to put that into my account. And then we have seasons. So let's go ahead and knock those out. We have... Oh, we have spring equinox and summer solstice. Spring equinox should be at 17. There we go. Ooh, and we have plenty of ones there. 10. Alright. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. plus 3. 1, 2, 3. I feel like I have extra money. Oh, that's 45. So that gives us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna go ahead and trade out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, they're not all facing the same way. I don't like that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. I feel like I have extra money. I'm a little concerned about that. And so that leaves us with 22. Put that one up. There. Summer solstice. And that should have 5 left. Here's the 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That leaves us with 8. Goes in the list with the rest of them. And there we go. Put it back inside of its little one. I'll go ahead and put that one up. 8. And then we have fall, and then we have winter, and fall is actually coming up. Maybe 22nd? We should have, well, that one's done, so, I mean, that's no big deal. But we have for 2023, we have 12, yes. And we get 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Oh, I have 5 for giving. That's what that 5 is for. I was like, I have an extra 5. So that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15. So 15 for 2023. And then anything that I have left over from this fall equinox, I will just roll over into the next one. Don't know if I'll have much left over this time though, because I will be probably doing something at my house. So since I have a house now, so we'll see how that one goes. 15 for this one. Or 22. So we'll hit the 25 for this one. Here's the 22. 2, 3. And there is that. So 20, 22. Oops. All that. You know what? I forgot. It's the savings. That's where it comes in. 25. Ooh, 25. Alright, so all of that is done. Now we pull out, because remember, I remember now, and telling you it's been so long since I've done my sinking funds that I got really kind of weird about savings. So I have all these house emergencies, car emergencies, emergency savings, and long-term savings, because I want to change what I call emergency savings. This is how I came up with my sinking funds. So those each get $2. So I should have $8 left over, and that's what I have, is $8 left over. Because I'm always like, why do I have money left over? But that's why. And I haven't been keeping track of these, so that makes me a little sad. So I should start. We had $4 now in, which one is this one? House emergencies. This is a very slow process. I need to redo this once I figure out what my budget's actually going to end up looking like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great, because I need that. And then I can take those $2. So now we have 7 in this one for, I believe this is car emergencies. That way, these don't get touched. And I actually get to watch them build a bit. Because when you have emergencies, you have to use the money. So you're growing and growing and growing, but like then you're dipping into them as well because you have an emergency. 20, 21, yeah, 22, 23, 24, they get $2. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And I need them to all be facing the same way because that's how I like for them to look. There we go. And one more and then we're done. Long-term savings. And that one has 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And this one will have 26 now as well. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And that's everything. Now we are done. 130 for our sinking funds. I would love to be able to put 5 aside for each one of these, but we'll see how the money ends up looking after we finish and redo my budget. So thank you all for watching. I know it's really long and a lot to get through, so I appreciate you. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and let me know how your sinking funds are going for this year. I hope you have a great one. See you later. Bye-bye.